Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Animals World. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we embark on a mesmerizing journey into the lives of these feathered marvels, exploring their fascinating behaviors, breathtaking plumage, and the vital role they play in our ecosystem. Birds, with their astonishing diversity, are found in every corner of our planet. From the colossal condor to the diminutive hummingbird, there are over 10,000 distinct species, each adapted to thrive in its unique environment. Like pigeons are mystery of the city of realms, while others like toucans flaunt their vibrant colors in tropical rainforest. Perhaps the most defining characters of birds is their ability to soar through the skies with unparalleled grace. The epic journey of migratory birds are among the most astonishing spectacles in the natural world. In this exploration of Avian world, we have witnessed the remarkable diversity of birds, marveled at their mastery of flight, and delved into the intricacies of their lives from courtship to parenting. We have celebrated the beauty of bird song and their vital role in our ecosystem, while also acknowledging the conservation challenges they face. So next time you spot a feathered friend outside your window or on a distant shore, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of birds and join the global community that cherishes and safeguards these extraordinary creatures. The world of bird is not just for them, it's a gift to us all, a reminder of the boundless beauty. For more related content, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.